Hello everyone. Can this little rental scooter actually pull a trailer uphill with a full-size bicycle on top? And what happens going downhill with all that weight attached? Honestly, I have no idea if this is going to work, but today I'm building a trailer hitch for this scooter using an old chair and the trailer itself made from a wooden pallet. So before I build anything, let's first see how strong this little 350 watt Voy scooter actually is. Can it survive the hill, up and down? Because later in this video, I'm coming back here again. With the trailer attached and a full-size bicycle loaded on top, this could either work surprisingly well or end in complete disaster. Alright, let's get started. I start with the chair, one of those old heavy-duty metal chairs with a solid steel frame, and the best part, completely free now. Look very closely here. This is where I make the cuts with the angle grinder. If you want to build your own, pause the video and take a screenshot. What if I could turn this rental scooter into an actual business vehicle? Like, imagine this, picking up broken e-bikes, transporting heavy stuff, maybe even starting a tiny transport business with it. And the craziest part, I can build this whole thing for almost nothing. The total build cost for this project, about 50 kroner. I cut, shape, drill the holes, and bolt everything together. No welding, no expensive tools, nothing fancy, just an angle grinder, a drill, and about 50 kroner worth of bolts and screws. That's it, about 2 hours of work later, and suddenly we have a homemade clip-on trailer hitch, and the crazy part? It attaches to the scooter in seconds, no damage, nothing permanent, but is it even allowed? Just clip on and go. Then it's time to build the trailer itself. A free wooden pallet, 2 old pram wheels. Cheap, simple. Surprisingly strong. I also added a quick bicycle holder, so the bike stays secure on the trailer. And now, it's finally time for the real test. Let's take this thing out on the road. The scooter with the trailer attached actually works way better than I expected. Smooth, stable, no weird shaking, no problems at all. But now, the moment of truth, back to the hill. This time, with the trailer attached and a full-size bicycle loaded on top. Can this little 350 watt scooter actually handle it? Going uphill? Only halfway. The scooter gives absolutely everything it has, but this time, the hill wins. Going downhill though, super smooth, stable all the way down. So yeah, flat roads, absolutely no problem. Steep hills, with a heavy load, that's where you start finding the limits. But still, a homemade trailer hitch and a full trailer built from an old chair and a wooden pallet For about 50 kroner? That's actually kind of crazy. And now I'm curious, what else should I transport with this thing? Drop your ideas in the comments below. I genuinely want to know. And if you enjoyed this build, hit that like button, subscribe for more crazy DIY projects just like this one, and share this video with someone who absolutely needs to see this today. See you next time. Bye bye.